namin.
Oh, picture muna, picture. Okay! Our 10th season back-to-back champion! Kamini! Congratulations, Kamini! Back-to-back champion! Wala mo nang aalis ha, dyan lang kayo. Oh. Okay. Our best coach. He's our best coach. Mr. Jolaiti Alivio! Picture, Mr. Sliding. Okay, dyan lang muna kayo ha.
Nice work, congratulations!
Our most valuable player, wearing jersey number 6, Mr. Jeffrey Arista. Okay, yung ano na lang natin, obligasyon sa referee. On behalf of JOBC Batangapo Season 3 Basketball, we would like to thank all the participant team and Cisco for allowing us to use your basketball court. See you next season mga sir! By July tayo, by July. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yung ano na lang natin, obligasyon sa referee.